Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am here with another chapter, that is chapter 4. Students, you are thinking that why not chapter 3? Chapter 3 I haven't taken because it is of the same topic that we have studied in chapter 2. That's why I have selected chapter 4 for your better convenience. Okay students, now then move on to the chapter. Here chapter 4 is all about disaster management. So what is disaster management? Okay, so first we will see what is disaster. Disaster is any sudden event that causes damage to life. Okay, that is disaster, and how to manage it is nothing but the disaster management. Okay student, here's the first topic, disaster. Here are the two pictures of disasters. Effect of the earthquake at Killari, and the second one is of the disaster at Malin village. Okay, so students, these are not that important points. You just have to overlook it once. They are the history that took an event in the past. Okay, so in what is the first? In July 2014, the whole village of Malin in Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district was destroyed in a matter of minutes due to लैंडस्लाइड की वजह से जो डिज़ास्टर आया था पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, ये वही डिज़ास्टर की पिक है. ओके, और ये अर्थक्वेक की पिक है जो किल्लारी में हुआ था इन लातूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ओके, here is the definition of disaster. What is disaster? तो a sudden event means अचानक में होने वाला event that causes large scale damage to life. Okay, that causes damage to life at a very large scale means बहुत ज़्यादा हद तक नुकसान हो जाना. Property and social aspects of a nation or society. Okay, that is disaster. Okay, now move on to the next page. Here it is explained how and why do the following disaster occurs, and here is the activity. If you are interested, you can do this. If not, then you can leave it. Okay, this is the important point, students. You have to note disaster are of two main kinds. Disaster are of how many kinds? Disaster are of two main kind. One is man-made and another one is natural. Okay, तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे क्या देखना है हमें? जो भी डिज़ास्टर्स है उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन देखना है, उसकी डेफिनेशन देखेंगे एंड देन देयर इफ़ेक्ट्स. ओके, तो हमारा फर्स्ट डिज़ास्टर है अर्थक्वेक. व्हाट इज़ अर्थक्वेक स्टूडेंट्स? तो अर्थक्वेक इज़ नथिंग बट द मूवमेंट इनसाइड द अर्थ के इंटीरियर में कुछ मूवमेंट हो जाना, कुछ एनर्जी की वजह से मूवमेंट होना, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? जिसकी वजह से क्या होंगी? वेव्स फॉर्म होंगी. जिसकी वजह से क्या होंगी? अर्थ के इंटीरियर में वेव्स फॉर्म होंगी, एंड ड्यू टू दैट वेव्स अर्थ स्टार्ट मूविंग. ओके, अर्थ स्टार्ट शेकिंग, इट स्टार्ट क्रैकिंग, द surface of the earth start cracking. That is nothing but the earthquake. Okay, now what are the effects of the earthquake? So destruction of infrastructure, that is building, bridges, road, railway tracks. These are the very basic kind of knowledge. Here it is given, you can read it. Okay, change in the direction of flow of the rivers, huge loss of property and life. Now what is the second example of the disaster? Floods का मतलब होता है सैलाब आना. A frequent occurring natural disaster in all the parts of the world is floods. Frequent means जो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर कोई डिज़ास्टर देखने को मिलता तो वो कौन सा डिज़ास्टर है? फ्लड्स. और फ्लड्स इज कॉज ड्यू टू हैवी रेन at the same place or due to heavy rain in the sea, river, oceans. Due to excessive rain it causes floods. Okay, and here are mentioned the effects of the floods, that is huge loss to life and property, soil erosion, destruction of standing crops. It is the main cause of floods. Okay, now move on to the next page. What are the storms? What is the third type of disaster? Storms. Storm का मतलब होता है तूफान आना. The formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere causes changes in weather resulting in strong winds. Strong winds causes due to formation of high and low pressure belts. Okay, and that has taken in atmosphere. What are the effects of storms? Great damage in the storm affected region. Okay, that particular region is affected by the storms. Tremendous loss to life and property. Same point again. Disruption of electric supply. Storms की वजह से electric supply loss हो जाएगा. Disruption of transport and communication. Okay, now what is the fourth one? Fourth one is forest fire. Forest fire means a fire is an uncontrolled fire. It is a type of fire that is uncontrolled. Okay, why it is uncontrolled? Because there are lots of trees in the forest, right? So we cannot maintain their damage. Forest fire spread at a tremendous speed. Okay, फॉरेस्ट फायर जो है वो ट्रीमेंडस स्पीड पे स्प्रेड होंगी, ट्रीमेंडस स्पीड पे स्कैटर हो जाएंगी. ओके, उसको मेंटेन करना, काबू में करना, इट इज़ नॉट इन आवर हैंड, इट इज़ नॉट दैट ईजी. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द इफ़ेक्ट्स? ग्रेट डैमेज टू नेचुरल वेल्थ एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटी. नेचुरल वेल्थ जो भी अंदर एनिमल्स रहेंगे, प्लांट्स वगैरह रहेंगे, उनकी स्पीसीज़ जो रहेंगी वो डैमेज हो जाएंगी. एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ पॉल्यूशन ऑफ द एयर. पॉल्यूशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, हियर इज़ द एक्टिविटी और क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड दैट इज़ नॉट दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट. नाउ डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड यहाँ पे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन दी हुई है आपको. जस्ट ओवरलुक इट वंस. ओके, हियर इट इज़ गिवन द इंस्टीट्यूट्स एट वर्क. डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट की इंस्टीट्यूट की इन्फॉर्मेशन दी हुई है आपको. ओके स्टूडेंट, इन दिस वे वी हैव कवर दिस टॉपिक. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. इफ़ इन केस you didn't get any of my point, just watch this video 2 to 3 times. Okay, you will understand it easily. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.